Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For our today's video tutorial, we have here the distance versus displacement. So, let's get started. Distance refers to the total path traveled by an object. In this figure, as you can see, that the distance of an object includes all path traveled including the turns. The distance is a scalar quantity. When we said scalar quantity, it includes magnitude or the numerical value alone. Examples are this: 26 meters, 1 kilometers, and 4 centimeters. On the other hand, displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and the final position of an object. In this figure, as you can see that this is the initial position of an object, and its final position is on this part. Now, the displacement is the black line that you can see in your screen. So that is the shortest distance between the initial and the final position of the object. Displacement is a vector quantity. When we said vector quantity, it includes magnitude and direction. For example, 26 meters north and 20 kilometers to the east. We can actually determine the value of the distance and displacement by just simply analyze the figures. In the first figure, the car travels from 0 to 4 meters. So, distance refers to the total path traveled by an object. So, the value of the distance is 4 meters. While in the second figure, since displacement refers to the shortest path from the initial point to the final point, or the initial position or the final position of an object, therefore, the displacement is 2 meters. Let us now proceed with the sample problem. A man walks 6 meters to the north, then 2 meters to the west. Determine the distance and displacement. Since the distance refers to the total path traveled by an object, we can just actually add the two. So, I named it point A and point B. Then, the two distance given in this problem are 6 meters and 2 meters. So, 6 meters plus 2 meters is equal to 8 meters. So, that is the value of the distance. Next is for us to solve for the value of displacement. Again, displacement refers to the shortest path traveled by an object from its initial position to its final position. As you can see in this figure, we just formed a right triangle. That is why we will use the Pythagorean theorem. Then, we will use the formula in solving the value of hypotenuse of the triangle. Next step is for us to substitute the value of A and B. So we have C is equal to square root of 6 meters squared plus 2 meters squared. Next is to get the square of A and B. So we have C is equal to square root of 36 meters plus 4 meters. Then, add the 2 points, or the point A and the point B. Then we have C is equal to square root of 40 meters. Then finally, we will get the value of the C by getting the square root of 40 meters. So we have 6.3 meters northwest. Let us now proceed with this figure. The motorcycle traveled from house to the factory. So its initial position is at the house and its goal is to the factory. Now, which of the following values there is the distance and which one is the displacement? The distance is 200 meters and the displacement is 120 meters. Just take note that the measurement of displacement is smaller than the distance. To sum up the lesson, we should remember that the distance is the total path traveled by an object, and the displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and the final position of an object. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you've learned something today. Happy learning!